Well, the centre is going all out to push for the food security bill, which could be a game changer for the UPA in 2014. But while they are still mulling over the ordinance route, the opposition is questioning the haste. Is this food bill rush a sign of early polls?
Now suddenly when we talk of the ordinance route, the BJP has woken up to the fact that it's a very important bill. I'm very happy that they finally realized it's an important bill when we talk of the ordinance route. They did not think it so important when Parliament was repeatedly disrupted.
UPA seems determined to push Sonia Gandhi's pet project, the Food Security Bill, and set the ball rolling for an early election. But the BJP questioning the government's haste.
Sushma Swaraj ji has already tweeted, the party has already said, please have the parliamentary session advanced. The monsoon session, we are willing to participate. Isn't that enough?
Not just the BJP, many in the opposition warning the government against taking the ordinance route.
Mulayam Singh ji has already said that the left has said, Mulayam Singh ji said that they have serious reservations about certain aspects. The BJP always has reservations about anything the Congress brings in anyway. So I would seriously suggest that they wait, because otherwise this ordinance will meet the same fate as some of their other ordinances have met.
A bitter war of words breaking out over a bill which aims to provide subsidized food for 2/3 of the population.
I have one question to ask of the Congress. Is there intention or objective to feed the poor of this country, or is it to hoodwink them and win brownie points for the coming elections?
For now, the government is still weighing its options whether to pass an ordinance or wait for the monsoon session.
But there's no doubt about the fact that there are underlying divisions within the government itself, as there is another view that feels that a hasty ordinance is not the solution and that there has to be a better discussion on the floor of the House on this serious piece of legislation.
But one thing is clear, the government has made up its mind to push the food security bill that is perceived as a game changer for the Congress. Bureau Report, Times Now.